Hello, I'm István Ferenc, the product specialist for Hikvision in the commercial displays product portfolio, and I would like to show you the interactive display today for you. And let's quickly start with this. First of all, I would like to introduce you the quick help, which is showing all the features and functions of the screen, so you can study quickly the product from this application. And whenever you need help, you can turn back to this page and you will find the answer for your question for sure. Here, this is the main page. You can see several applications. We just put the shortcut for the most frequently used products and applications for the homepage. And here, we also put all the applications in the remaining part of the screen. Whenever you want, you can just quickly jump back with the home button. I hope you know it from the Android, because the system is based on Android, so it's very simple and also very easy to understand and use it. Also, we have the task button. You can select all the tasks and you can switch back to any kind of task which you used before, and anytime you can go back to home, of course. And here we have some shortcuts and quick application launching options to you. One is, for example, the screen sharing, and also one is the screen saving option, actually, not the screen sharing. Screen sharing I would like to tell you later on. And now also you can use, for example, calculator. It's a basic calculator. Also you can have the note application here, and also you can utilize for meetings this very good and useful countdown application, because when the time is over, it will give you a notification. Okay, and let's draw something here to show how it works. And whenever you don't like it, you can just erase, and when you finished, you can save it, or you can send via QR code. So save it like this, or it will generate a QR code very soon, and then once it's done, you can save it. Yes, of course you can see. And regarding the remaining parts of the software, we will introduce them in the next videos. So thanks very much for the watching today, and see you next time.